Hi everyone, let's solve this question in inequalities. We are given that if x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 9, then we have to find the maximum value of x plus 2y plus 3z. All of x, y, z belong to the real number set. Now let us begin this answer by assuming a vector A. Let this vector A is given by x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap, where I cap, j cap and k cap are the unit vectors along the x-axis, x direction, and y direction and z direction. Similarly, we can also write the vector B, that is given by 1 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. Now let us find out the dot product of A and B, that is A dot B. This will be given by x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap, dot product with I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. We know that the dot product of I dot j is equal to 0. Similarly, I dot k is equal to 0 because the angle between the x-axis and the y-axis is 90 degree, and we know that A dot B is given by AB cos theta, and theta becomes 90 degree, so this product becomes 0, and I dot I is given by 1. So we can write A dot B as x plus 2y plus 3z. Now, as said earlier, we know that A dot B is given by magnitude of A multiplied by magnitude of B cos theta, where theta is the angle between vector A and vector B. We also know that cos theta, the value is between -1 to 1, so we can write it cos theta is always less than equal to 1, which gives us A dot B is always less than equal to mod A multiplied by mod B. Now, taking this into our example, we can see this A dot B here is x plus 2y plus 3z. That would be less than equal to magnitude of A is given by square root of x square plus y square plus z square multiplied by magnitude of B is given by square root of 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. That is nothing but square root of x square plus y square plus z square will be given by 3, because we are given that from the question x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 9, and square root of 1 plus 4 plus 9 is 14. So we see that the maximum value of x plus 2y plus 3z would be given by 3 square root of 14. The inequality, what we found out here, A dot B is less than equal to mod A mod B. This one is also known as Cauchy's inequality.